The Sumatra Rainforest is located in Sumatra in Indonesia. Its coordinates are 0 degrees south and 102 degrees east. The total area of the rainforest takes up 25,000 kilometers squared. The Sumatra Rainforest was included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list in the year of 2004. The Sumatra Rainforest has had many trees cut down, and if more people look after the rainforest, it will look a lot better. If trees keep getting cut down, more animals will be close to extinction, and the rainforest would be less popular. The Sumatra Rainforest is estimated to be home and shelter of more than 10,000 plant species. It is home to more than 580 bird species and 200 mammal species, and is all over a great home for both plants and animals. If there is enough people to look after the Sumatra Rainforest, then more tourists would be attracted, which means the site will have to be protected and would become a natural beauty. Here are some examples of the natural beauty of the Sumatra Rainforest.